You know, this is such an exciting year to be doing this because we are seeing the full resumption of all the arts and culture-related performances. And we know when it comes to art form, the ability to see the facial expression is so important because that is how the artists connect with the audience and how the audience reflect their thoughts to the artist. So we hope in time to come, this is not just a good showpiece for the university to the outside world, but this also become the masterpiece of student life for NUS.
This year, we're really proud of the new interdisciplinary projects that we have, and it's really testament to the creativity and courage of our students when working with artists and faculty.
I've always been an admirer of the great things that Center for the Arts have achieved, and in my various capacities as Dean, Vice Provost, Student Life, President of NUS, I've always looked forward to this particular event, Festival of the Arts.
So working on Interchange, I was able to see how even though Chinese dance and Indian music may sound very like polar opposites, and able to see like how we share a lot of commonalities.
And through this entire opportunity, what we realized was how important that representation meant to us. And I know that at the end of this, playing my own character, how it has perhaps taught me more about how much race means to me and what it means to be heard and be seen. And that's something that I'll always keep with me, I think, and take away.
For the most part, a lot of times there has to be a fine balance between writing a complicated story but also making it simple enough for the audience to understand. And I think there was a really good balance over here. And again, you know, serious issues with enough entertainment and creating a perfect synergy, and the energy that everyone brought on stage was amazing and it's just very radiating.
It's truly great. I mean, you know, combination of both Indian and Chinese. It's a kind of a fusion, right? And we really enjoyed it a lot.
So I made a lot of new friends from this from NUS, and on top of that, I was able to deepen my friendships with people who I already know. Furthermore, it was extremely exciting to be able to work with the choir to make this event a success.